Hello, hi everyone. My name is Sleesha and I'm from Mumbai. So, I've been diagnosed by linear porokeratitis at a very young age, like when I was 7 or 8. And at that time, it was a very small mole, kind of a dot, something which looked like a birthmark. So, we didn't really care much. But over a period of time, the scar kept on increasing and got a little elevated, which is when my parents understood that I have some severe skin condition. Linear porokeratitis is something very rare. It has no definite line of treatment. It has no cure. It is something which grows with age. So while I was 8, it was a dot, and while I till the age I turned 18, it kept on growing. So by the name itself, it suggests linear porokeratitis, which means that I had it on my face, near my left nose, and from there it kept on growing till my above my lips. After a point, it stopped. That is what the doctors had recommended, that let it grow how much ever it has to. I have lived with this scar for like 25 years of my life, and it has always been a problem of my confidence. So I met several doctors in Mumbai, not less than 30-40. A lot of them, told me that, there is no definite line of treatment. We can maybe try this, try that, but, we are not sure if this scar will completely go. And for a girl to have such a big scar on her face all her life is definitely not an easy task to live with. So, at the age of 24, 25, I realized that the scar is not growing anymore and it has stopped. And it is really high time that I really need a good doctor, not a cosmetologist for beautification, but somebody who understands the skin condition in depth. A lot of hospitals claim to understand their skin, the skin of their patient in detail, but I don't see that as a reality. I have met tons of doctors, and I really, I've come from Mumbai, so I really know how Cutis has taken care of me. To start with, one of my family friends suggested me to visit Dr. Naveen Rao, who is a plastic surgeon at JP Nagar. I met him when I myself had done a lot of research about this skin condition. When I knew that this is not going to help, I thought of undergoing a plastic surgeon. I thought of meeting a plastic surgeon. And that's when he also suggested me a couple of other surgical treatments. While I was not comfortable to, of course, go under the knife, I was skeptical, is when he recommended me to meet Dr. Chandrasekhar at Cutis Hospital before I take a final decision to go under the knife. I would say it was a big blessing to come here. The moment I met Dr. Chandrasekhar, in a span of around 10 minutes, he said that this is going to completely go if we do ablative laser on your skin. And for me, I've been wanting to hear this line from a doctor since 25 years of my life, that this scar will go, you need not worry, you just need to undergo a couple of ablative laser sessions. Now, two things: the confidence of a doctor and my courage were the only thing. I was very persistent to get this off my face because I didn't want to live with it. It really didn't take a month time or something. It took really long. It took 6 to 7 months. I underwent around 11 gold toning, that is vascular sessions, laser sessions, and around 6 to 7 ablative laser sessions. And the kind of improvement I have had on my skin, I still have to work on it, but from what it was to what it is right now is surprisingly the best thing I have done, the best decision I have taken to come here. I am somebody who will ask tons of questions to every doctor because I'm very scared of anybody touching my skin. The amount of questions I've asked Dr. Chandrasekhar, the junior doctors, the amount of patience they showed to answer all my questions at every stage, the way he took care of my skin and said, listen, we need to be very careful. I know you really want it to go, but we need to go step by step. I really want to thank Dr. Chandrasekhar for everything. When I went back to Mumbai after 7 months, so I had not met anybody for 7 months. I had not met my parents, and I promised them I will do a good work here and come back. I'm trusting a very good doctor. I went back and they were surprised. I went back to show it to one Hinduja doctor that this is what I've done, and he was also very surprised and happy with the results, because prior when I had met him, he was very skeptical if this scar will ever go. I really want to thank the junior doctors because I've troubled them way more. Dr. Shruti B, Dr. Shruti Madhav, Dr. Akash, Dr. Priyanka, Dr. Monisha Shetty, all of them have done gold toning, ablative, multiple sessions on me. And you know, Cutis was all hope and home for me for 6-7 months. It did prove worthy, and I'm really happy with the improvement. And again, I'm telling you, I've not done any beautification on my skin. This was a very severe skin condition, which was cancerous in nature. But I was anyways not diagnosed with cancer. So for me to get the lesion off was one big achievement. I am extremely thankful to Cutis Hospital for this. Yeah, so guys, if you all have any skin or hair related issue, especially for skin, you'll have to give it time. Please visit Cutis Hospital. So don't come with the hope that, you know, everything is going to be resolved in a month's time. It is doctors' challenge to get this done. It is your patience. Mine was a game of patience. So one, you should trust your doctor, believe him, and blindly believe him. When I say believe him, I did that and it worked for me. Second is give it time, give it patience. 1 or 2 sessions will not show results because it's your skin. They cannot play with your skin. They take a lot of time to understand your skin. They do a lot of sessions at a very lower density to understand how your skin is reacting, and after which after which you will actually see improvements in your skin. Thank you so much.